So guys, we are here again back into the another video of derivation, and today we are going to derive the formula to calculate the volume of cone. So this formula is basically introduced to the students in the class 9 or 10th, but they are not taught the derivation of this formula because the method which includes for this derivation of the formula is basically based on the calculus, which is taught to the students in class high schools or in the class 12. So we are going to derive it today. So let's begin. First of all, we are going to find the volume of cone. So this is the cone. This we are going to place this cone in a Cartesian system. So here we go. So here we placed the cone in our Cartesian system. So the distance from here to here, let's consider it as h. It will be height of the cone, and the distance from here will be the r, means the radius of the cone. So the coordinate of this point will be h comma r, and the coordinate of this point will be 0 comma 0. So now we are going to derive the formula. So the formula to derive the volume, the formula to calculate the volume in the calculus is V equals to, we will put the limit, that is 0 to h pi square dx. The limits is put 0 to y because the coordinate at the center is 0, and we are integrating it from 0 to h, so the limits are 0 to h. So the formula to calculate the volume of an object, volume of any object in the calculus is pi y square by dx. So first of all, the thing we have to do is to frame an equation of y in the terms of x, then and only we can integrate it. So let's form an equation of y. So as we know the slope is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So here y2, the value of y2 is r and h by 0. So from here we get m equals to r by h. Now from the equation of straight line, that is y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y1 is we can see here y1 and x1 is 0, and the value of m is we already calculated it before, so we are going to replace it. It will be r by h and x minus 0. So here we get r by x h times x. So now we have got the equation of y, and we are going to replace it replace it in the volume formula. So here we go. So now we get volume equals to pi rx by h to the whole square times dx. So from here we get r square by h square times x square dx. So now we are going to separate the constant term, that is pi r square by h, and the left out is x square, that we are going to integrate from 0 to h dx. So we know that integration of x square is equals to x cube by 3 now, and we are going to put the limit, that is 0 to h. So here we go, putting h in the terms of x, we'll get x cube by 3 minus putting 0 in it will be 0, and we got again here 3, so it will be pi square h by h times h cube by 3. sorry, I got misplaced here. It will be h square. So here it will be x square, that will be cancelled out, and at last we get pi r square h upon 3, which will almost equal to 1 by 3 pi square h. So here we got our formula for which we came here, and that's for all for today, and thank you for watching the video.